storage. I'm trying to clean out my storage. Hopefully by this week, by the end of this week, I will have everything out. And look what I found. A blast from the past, my commitment poster. It was an old poster that I used. My old manager's chart. And my computer chart. This computer chart helped me so much in the classroom. Look, it still has a Velcro. This one I might still keep because it looks like in good condition. Now, this one is the alphabet poster. This one, I usually use it when I sing the bones and maybe, C bones and maybe, C bones. And I like this one because, as you can see, all the uppercase letters are in red and all the lowercase letters are in black. How many of you guys remember the token economy chart? Oh my goodness. I used to use this poster a couple of years back. And of course, the green, the yellow, the red, the conduct, which goes with the token economy. And this one, oh my goodness, I didn't remember about this one, but I completely forgot I still had it, but this poster, I used it as a name poster. So what I used to do, I would get the craft sticks, and I would only write their uppercase letter and lowercase letter, and then it would come and match with their name. So yes, guys, a blast from the past. I'm in my storage today, in my truck, trying to clean everything out. Let's see what else I find. I have a lot of stuff.